Hi, I'm Kelly from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm here with my son, Ian, and we're going to show you how to use, and we're also going to review this Young Living Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser. Now this diffuser actually has multiple functions. Not only does it serve as an aromatic diffuser, it also is a humidifier and an atomizer. Now if you're not familiar with how diffusers work, basically they take the water and the essential oils and they break them up into millions of microparticles and then disperse them in the air while releasing the essential oils. They basically help create a very natural environment by removing some of the harmful fragrant chemicals in the air and replacing them with all natural essential oils. Now that you know how diffusers work, we're going to show you how to use the Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser. First, you need to locate where the plug-in power is, and that is right here on the bottom. Next, you'll see that here is the light button along with the power button. Inside here, you will see where the fill line is, and that is where you will put either spring water, distilled water, or just tap water. You will also add about 8 to 10 drops of your essential oils. Today, Ian chose to use 2 of his favorite essential oils. What were they?
Lemon and grapefruit.
Lemon and grapes. And we like to use a lot of citrus oils because I feel like it makes the house smell fresh and clean, even when it's really not. So we filled our diffuser to the fill line. And now Ian's gonna add his lemon and his grapefruit drops.
1, 2, 3.
And then you'll put the top back on. You'll line it up here on the base of the diffuser. And then we just turn the power on. You can have it on high, which will run continuously for about 5 to 6 hours, or you can put on the low mode, which means it will run for about 8 hours, or you can have it run intermittently, which means it'll run for about 10 hours. Now there are different lighting functions. There's actually 11 different modes. Now this is just the plain white light, but my favorite is this candlelight flicker. They also have about 10 color settings, which are really Ian's favorite, aren't they? What are your favorite color settings?
Well, it's pretty easy. Green, blue, and pink, and violet.
So Ian likes most all of the color settings, clearly.
And yellow.
And yellow. They're all very pretty. What else do you like about the diffuser, Ian?
Well, it also makes smell of the house, and it smells good.
It does. He's right. It does make the house smell good. I like that too. And you know what else I like about the diffuser?
What?
I like the fact that it has a very kind of Moroccan-inspired design, which looks really modern, and quite honestly, it looks like a beautiful decorative piece in your house. Now, if you want to pick up your own Young Living Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser, you can do so by simply clicking on the link in this post. But really the best way to get the diffuser, and truly the best value for your money, is by getting it in the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. Because if you get the Young Living Premium Starter Kit, you're not only going to get this beautiful diffuser, but you're also going to be able to get 11 essential oils, several product samples, and if you buy your premium starter kit from us, we're going to give them some pretty awesome freebies, aren't we, Ian? If you buy your Young Living Premium Starter Kit from us, we'll also give you a $20 Amazon gift card, and we'll give you a reference manual, which will basically tell you all about your essential oils and how best to use them. You can pick up your Young Living Premium Starter Kit by clicking on the link in this post. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you will, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.